And as per usual, it has gotten dark out because that's how long I've been waiting on this thing to copy. A word of advice, never copy 300 gigabytes from one partition to another on the same drive. Use an external drive instead. I promise it will be way faster. So, we are just about ready, I guess, to go ahead and start. I'm going to unplug my phone there, make sure, yes, this is the drive that is plugged into the computer. And just checking once again, 1 terabyte hard drive, that is what we are using as the user folder. The 839 gigabyte drive is not what we are using as our users folder. That is what we are not going to touch. So remember, guys, format the terabyte drive. Don't touch the 800 gig drive. That's just for me to refer back to, you know. So we are going to go ahead and restart. Okay, thank you, car outside. I really didn't need to hear that, but alright, once again, I'm sorry about the CRT, okay? And I'm sorry I'm holding the camera with my hand, but hopefully this won't be way too bad because this is the third installation video I've done in, like, the past week alone, okay? So, just, yeah, back off, you know, just don't freak out, because I know what you subscribers will do. Alright, I'm tapping F10 to go to the boot menu. And BIOS password should come up real soon. Alright, Kingston Data Traveler. If this doesn't work, then I think I'm just going to give up on computers. Period. Just giving up. Okay. Yes! 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 It appears, yep. BSD loader. FreeBSD loader. Once again, this is not FreeBSD. This is PC-BSD, which is based off of FreeBSD. I'll do another video on Linux versus BSD, I promise. But yes, PC-BSD 1 boot default. All right. And from what I remember, this was very, very fast. So we're detecting all of our USB ports, all of our audio ports. I hope that I can get audio set up better than I had it set up on Linux. USB storage, Apple Inc. CPUs. I doubt that's what they're actually. Alright, checking integrity of file system. I'm just kind of narrating. Loading kernel modules, video card, detected NVIDIA, loading NVIDIA driver. It's good. Oh, and we do have a sort of a translucent mouse here, although we are still loading the X window system, and here is the X window system, because we have a white mouse now, and we've got windows. We can move around. Alright, PC-BSD. This is supposed to be, once again, very user-friendly, and it is a little different than most Linux things are the same. Most Linux installers are like the same installers. They're like 2 Linux installers that are used for all distros, but this is new. So, PC-BSD, we've got some, you know, help and whatnot down here, and we are going to go ahead and click next. Once again, sorry about the shaky camera. I'm doing the best I can. So, system settings. We can customize everything. You see we're installing KDE. I think I'll install GNOME as well. Development, nothing yet. Actually, development IDE would be good. But we'll do development web as well. Hardware drivers. NVIDIA, yes. Not handheld, but oh, don't need HP stuff either. Miscellaneous. Compiz. Ooh, do we want that? Not yet. We don't need any guest stuff. Alright. So this is very nice. You can go through. Alright, these are a bunch of other desktop managers. So as you can see, we've got the same 4 desktop managers. GNOME, KDE, LXDE, and XFace. It's like we never even switched. Save. Alright, so package selection, and all of this should be on the disk, because we downloaded the full thing. So, next. Disk selection. Customize. Definitely, super yes, customize this. Advanced. Experienced with file systems. Yes, I am. Alright, select the disk or partition you wish to install onto. So we want the, yes, Samsung, and these are a little different. Usually it's like /dev/SDA. This is just ADA this, ADA that. So we want the Samsung SSD. It actually says Amsung. Oh, there must not be able to be like S's at the front of words or something. I don't know. Use entire disk. Next. ZFS. Sure. Not really sure what that stuff means. Alright, and no. Alright. What? Okay, we don't want mirroring. Alright. File system amount of points. /user/home. No, /user we want. What? Jesus. Alright, remove the /user, yes. And remove all of the /user mounts. Because /user is going to be on another disk. You've got to be able to do that on here. I know that you've got to be able to do that. Okay, I keep forgetting to turn the camera back on, but I promise all I did was I just hit the start installation button after the last screen that you saw. So right now, this is going to basically put everything but the /user things onto our SSD. And honestly, I've read 4 different websites on this, and actually like 5, but I can't figure out how I'm supposed to do what is normally very simple on Linux installers. So we'll see. Right now we are just going through installing packages and whatnot. So yeah. Okay, I just suck at recording, because I forgot to start it before the progress bar ended, but once again, all that happened was it went through. I didn't even have to click next that time. It just said, your system is now installed. Click finish to reboot, and after rebooting, you may eject the install media. Excellent. So, as soon as that shuts down, I'm going to go ahead and unplug my headphones, too, so that any sound will come out of the loudspeakers. Alright, turning off. Unplugging the USB drive, turning up the speakers, and whoa, those are way too, I turned them up like all the way. Okay, here we go. BIOS password. These work. Okay, boot PC-BSD 0. Oh, okay. And it automatically proceeded. And we are booting. Hoping this works, because I haven't really defined the /user thingy yet. Oh, okay. Whatever. I'm just seeing stuff scroll by in the terminal. I'm like, that's not supposed to be there, is it? Okay, resolution, 1024. Keep those settings for now. Preparing to start the desktop. Whoa! That's new. That was not there last time. Whoa. Now, that was cool, and that was new. That is way better than Ubuntu's slideshow. Alright. We are America. No. North. We're looking for Chicago, I guess. Or anything that is Central Time. We've got America / oh, alright, Chicago Central Time. And next, root password. Alright. Create a user. Oh, geez, alright. Typing with one hand. Password, next. Finish. Wow. Alright. So I guess it took care of the user thing for us. This is the GNOME login manager, but the default desktop is KDE. So we are going to go ahead and put in our password. Logging into KDE. That sound is not coming from the computer. That was a motorcycle outside. Oh, do we have the KDE login sound? Oh, I don't think we have the KDE login sound. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, yeah, there's my, okay. File manager. Yes, and if you are new to PC-BSD, please take a few minutes to read through. So getting connected, and I believe we should be, hopefully, alright, battery is, not present. Of course, we're on a desktop. Dude, I think our internet setup is automatic. Yeah. Alright, because we're plugged in. Install apps, App Cafe, configure your system, control panel, preserve your files, okay, stay up to date, get involved. Alright. And it appears our 8 gig thingy is here, and okay, our 1 terabyte drive will not boot, but that doesn't matter, because our 800 gig drive is still intact and all good, and that is all I'm going to show you today. I'll do a more in-depth comparison between this and Linux some other time, but for now, I mean, yeah, I've been sitting here all freaking day, and, yeah, FreeBSD, or PC-BSD, I guess. Very quick to install, and very nice so far. So I'm Jacob Kaufman, I'm known on the street, and I will see you later. See ya.